In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view traffic ticket online in Chicago. If you need to check a ticket and want to do it online, the most important thing to know is that the correct website depends on the type of violation you received. Chicago does not handle every traffic-related ticket through one single search page. So choosing the right portal first will save you time and help you find the correct record more quickly. If your ticket is for parking, a red light camera, or an automated speed enforcement camera, go to the City of Chicago parking portal. This is the portal used for those citation types, and it gives you a few different ways to search. You can usually look up the ticket using your driver's license number, your license plate number, or the physical ticket number if you have it with you. That flexibility is helpful, especially if you don't have the paper ticket nearby. Once you find the citation in the portal, you may also be able to view related evidence, including photos and, in some cases, violation video. That can be especially useful if you want to confirm the details of the citation before taking any next step. Just make sure you enter your information carefully so the system can match the correct record. If the ticket is instead a moving violation, such as speeding or running a stop sign, you'll want to use the Cook County Clerk of Court online case search. This is a different system from the Chicago parking portal, and it's designed for court-related traffic cases rather than camera or parking citations. In the Clerk of Court search, you can typically look up your case using your driver's license number, your name, or your ticket or docket number. After locating the case, you should be able to view the electronic case docket and check the current status. This can help you understand where the case stands and whether there are any important updates tied to it. A good tip here is to identify your ticket type before you begin searching. If you use the wrong portal, you may think the record is missing when it's actually just listed in the other system. So take a moment to confirm whether you're dealing with a parking, red light, speed camera, or moving violation. That's the full process for viewing a traffic ticket online in Chicago. Use the City of Chicago parking portal for parking, red light, and automated speed enforcement tickets, and use the Cook County Clerk of Court online case search for moving violations. Once you're in the correct portal, search using the information you have available and review the ticket or case details online.